The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G is a well-rounded smartphone designed to bring 5G connectivity, dependable performance, and Samsung's signature build quality to an affordable price point. Sporting an AMOLED display, an advanced triple camera system, expandable storage, and a rugged design, the Galaxy A35 5G offers an appealing balance between functionality and value, especially for users who want a phone that handles everyday tasks and a bit more. The Galaxy A35 5G is crafted with durability in mind, boasting a rugged design that feels robust in hand while maintaining an aesthetic appeal. The phone is designed to withstand minor drops and daily wear and tear, making it a reliable choice for users with an active lifestyle. Samsung continues its trend of offering fun and unique colors, with awesome lilac adding a fresh, vibrant option to the lineup. The phone's body is primarily made of high-quality plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. The rear panel has a matte finish that resists fingerprints, and the edges are slightly rounded, ensuring a comfortable grip. Although it lacks an official IP rating for water and dust resistance, it can likely withstand light splashes and dust exposure. One of the highlights of the Galaxy A35 5G is its 6.5-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display. Samsung's AMOLED technology delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making this phone's screen a pleasure to use for media consumption, gaming, and general use. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, it offers a sharp, clear viewing experience, and the screen's brightness is sufficient for outdoor use. The display also has a 90 Hz refresh rate, which provides a smooth user experience when scrolling through social media, browsing the web, or gaming. Powered by a mid-range processor, the Galaxy A35 5G is equipped with an octa-core chipset, complemented by 6GB of RAM. While it's not the most powerful phone in its class, the A35 5G is capable of handling everyday tasks with ease, including social media, web browsing, video streaming, and light gaming. Apps open reasonably quickly, and multitasking is smooth for casual users. For those who enjoy mobile gaming, the phone can run popular games like PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9, albeit at lower settings to maintain a smooth experience. The 5G connectivity also enhances the user experience with faster download speeds and improved network stability when compared to older LTE networks. Storage and expandability. The Galaxy A35 5G comes with 128GB of internal storage, which should be adequate for most users. This is sufficient for storing apps, photos, videos, and a decent amount of music. If you need more space, the phone supports expandable storage via a microSD card slot, allowing you to add up to 1 TB of additional storage, which is a great feature for those who like to store a lot of media files on their device. Camera system. The advanced triple camera system on the Galaxy A35 5G consists of a 50MP primary sensor that captures sharp, vibrant photos in good lighting conditions. With Samsung's image processing, photos typically have punchy colors and good dynamic range. An 8MP ultra-wide lens, which offers a wider field of view and is excellent for landscape shots, group photos, and capturing more in one frame. However, photos taken with this lens tend to be slightly less detailed compared to the primary sensor. A 2MP depth sensor that improves portrait shots by creating a bokeh effect, blurring the background while keeping the subject in focus. This sensor does a decent job in adding depth to portrait photos but isn't the most advanced in its class. For selfies, the phone is equipped with a 13MP front-facing camera, which provides good quality for video calls, social media posts, and selfies. The front camera also supports AI enhancements that automatically adjust skin tones, brightness, and contrast for more flattering shots. In terms of video, the Galaxy A35 5G can record in 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is adequate for everyday use. While it lacks 4K recording, the video quality is decent, with good color reproduction and clarity in well-lit conditions. Battery life. The Galaxy A35 5G comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which provides reliable battery life for a full day of moderate use. With regular usage, including social media browsing, streaming, and light gaming, the phone can easily last through a typical day without requiring a charge. For lighter users, it can stretch into the second day. The phone supports 25W fast charging, though a compatible charger is sold separately. Software and features. Running on Samsung's One UI 6, based on Android 14, the Galaxy A35 5G offers a clean and intuitive user experience. Samsung software provides useful features such as a customizable home screen, Samsung Pay, and a comprehensive settings menu for easy navigation. One UI also includes Samsung's suite of apps, such as Samsung Notes, Samsung Health, and Galaxy Store, adding extra functionality for users who prefer Samsung's ecosystem. Samsung has committed to providing regular software updates for the Galaxy A series, and the A35 5G should receive updates for the next few years, ensuring it remains up to date with the latest security patches and software improvements. Pros: AMOLED display, vibrant colors and deep blacks make for an excellent viewing experience. Expandable storage, microSD slot supporting up to 1 TB is a great addition. Good battery life, 5000 mAh battery offers all-day usage. 5G connectivity, improved speeds and network performance with 5G support. Affordable, great balance of features for the price point. The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G is a solid mid-range option that delivers a well-rounded experience. It's ideal for users who want a reliable smartphone with 5G connectivity, an enjoyable AMOLED display, and a decent camera for everyday photography. It's a particularly good choice for users on a budget who value a durable design and the option to expand their storage without compromising on essential smartphone features. If you're looking for a dependable, attractive phone that covers all the basics while offering a few standout features, the Galaxy A35 5G is worth considering, especially in the stylish awesome lilac color.